is over there for today's class. We have started already in the last class for communication, digital communication, or your paper one of electronic communication. So whoever is new or whoever is attending this first class, I'm telling that we will be uploading the presentation, that is the introduction of what is a communication system. So you all must go through it. Okay, I'll be uploading the presentation because we have repeated the class 2 times. In the morning class also I have given the same presentation, and in the afternoon class also we have seen the same presentation. So it is repeated twice. So we'll not repeat it once again, but I'll just give you one introduction that your first paper is electronic communication. As you all know what is communication, this is nothing but the exchange of messages between two persons or exchange of some data between from source to destination. Okay, it can be any type of data, it can be a picture data, it can be a voice message, it can be anything. Okay, so what is communication actually? In the general language, when you say what is communication, so how you will define it? You will just say exchange of some messages between two points, that is from source to destination, is called as communication. And you can have two types of communication. Either you can have digital communication, you can have analog communication. Okay, so the landline phones, what we were using early days in and your at your home, that were a best example of wired communication. Okay, because there we don't have any वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन, यू वर हैविंग केबल्स, बीएसएनएल का जो केबल लगता था हमारे घर में, सो दैट वी वर यूजिंग एज वायर्ड कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, बट हियर इन योर syllabus we will be studying both the types of communication, that is wired communication also and wireless communication also. Today's era we are using all the whatever you are using as communication network, you are using वायरलेस नेटवर्क, बिकॉज हम लोग अभी कोई भी घर पे आपका वो बीएसएनएल का लैंडलाइन वाला फोन यूज नहीं करता है. ओके, वी ऑल आर यूजिंग मोबाइल फोन्स बिकॉज इट इज वेरी कन्वीनियंट फॉर अस टू हैंडल. Okay, for us to carry it anywhere, because it is nothing but a transmitter and receiver device together. Okay, when you were having the landline communication, you have to move the wire wherever you go and you have to talk, you have to make the communication. So there were so many disadvantages of any wired communication network. Likewise, when you watch a cable TV at your home, in early days what we were doing, we have connected our cable TV to the host or whoever is our केबल टीवी नेटवर्क का जो आपका वो था ओनर था, उससे हमने केबल से आपका केबल टीवी या जो भी आपका चैनल्स है वो कनेक्ट किया था. बट नाउअडेज व्हाट हैज हैपेंड, वी आर हैविंग सेट टॉप बॉक्स एट योर होम. So what is your set-top box? It is nothing but a receiver device what we have connected with your display device, that is nothing but your television set. Okay, your television is a display device, and the set-top box which you are having at your home, which is just besides your TV and you have connected it through a cable. So what is it? It is a receiver device. Transmitter is something distant from you, from your television network. It is through satellite because you are also receiving the channels at in your home from say abroad. You are receiving Discovery Channel also. You know that is not from India. So how the communication is made, how you are receiving the signals, that is through a wireless communication and nothing but a satellite communication. Okay, so we'll also be studying about what is satellite communication, but we have now started from the basics. सबसे पहले first of all we have seen that what is communication. You must be able to define what is communication. There are so many types of communication. One way communication होता है, there are two-way communication. Okay, likewise we are in a network now, we are in a communication network now. I'm teaching you something and you all are listening to me. Okay, likewise you all are also able to say something to me. We are also having a communication network between us. Okay, are you convinced that we are having a communication system between us? जब हम लोग क्लासरूम में टीचिंग करते थे, ये एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपको पहले भी दिया है, यू ऑल आर माय स्टूडेंट्स एंड आई रिमेम्बर इट वेरी प्रॉपरली that we have seen this, we have taken this as an example when we were designing a instrumentation system. Okay, a communications network का हमने एक एग्जाम्पल लेके इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन डिजाइन करने का एक एग्जाम्पल, एक सिस्टम बनाया था. Okay, so what is important in any communication system is first your transmitter. Likewise, when I'm saying something, I'm your transmitter. Okay, and at the receiver, whatever you are receiving, you are the receivers. Okay, so I'm transmitting the message to you and you are receiving it at your home or wherever you are. Okay, but in between there are so many circuits involved, there is a channel involved between us. This is not a simple type of communication. When we talk in a classroom, that is a two-way communication always, but there I was in front of you when we were in a classroom. Here we are not in front of each others. Okay, you are very distant to me, but you are able to listen me, you are able to see me. So how this is made possible? This is made possible by advancing the communication system. जो सर्किट्स है उसको हमने इतना एडवांस कर दिया. वी आर यूजिंग VLSI टेक्निक्स, वी हैव मेड द रिसीवर सो एक्यूरेट, वी हैव made the transmitter so accurate that we can receive the signals at any point of the world. Okay, this has made possible by satellite communication. Okay, so in our general lives also you see so many types of communication. Like मैंने आपको कल एक एग्जांपल दिया था, जैसे आप एफएम का कोई भी सिग्नल जब रिसीव करते हो, हाँ? So whenever you are listening to a FM signal, someone is waiting in the waiting room. We have admitted. We don't allow the latecomers, okay? And we are also taking the attendance. We are keeping the record of attendance, and Mesham sir has said me to give the track of it. So students, please be serious now. You are in final year of your BSc exam, and this is very crucial year for you. And I'm frankly telling you that this year we will not be having the classes as regular classes. आई डोंट नो कि हम लोग एक दूसरे को कब अच्छे से देख पाएंगे, आप लोग कब चीज़ें शेयर कर पाओगे. दैट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट इन दिस पैंडमिक session. Okay, so for this year you have to make a habit of it, you have to make a habit of online learning. Okay, so please be serious at least for your last year. I'm just wishing you all the best for online teaching. Must be attended. Okay, for the class, for any class, I'm not saying you for electronics only. Attend every class because mathematics or other classes are difficult than electronics. Physics is most difficult subject for you, so you must attend the class. Okay, थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है बट हम लोग करेंगे तभी सीखेंगे, है ना. हम लोग भी आप लोगों के साथ सीख ही रहे हैं, हम लोगों ने भी ये सारी चीजें कभी की नहीं थी. वी हैव स्टडीड सो मेनी थिंग्स फॉर ऑनलाइन क्लास. जब हम लोग आपका ऑनलाइन क्लास भी लेते हैं देन ऑल्सो वी आर लर्निंग सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट हम लोगों ने कभी जूम देखा था क्या इसके पहले? यू माइट हैव स्टडीड जूम, सीख लिया. ओके, तो वैसे ही हम लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि आपको एज मच एज इंफॉर्मेशन आपके तक हम लोग पहुंचाए, आपको ट्रांसमिट करें, बट यू हैव टू रिसीव इट एंड यू हैव टू डिकोड इट ऑल्सो. Okay, we will talk in terms of communication now. Okay, so in the last lecture we what we have seen, introduction of a communication system. वो presentation अभी मैं आपको नहीं दिखा रही हूँ, but I am just giving you some of the examples जिससे आपको clear हो जाए कि what is a communication system और what is a communication network. Okay, so प्लीज आप लोग आज की क्लास करने के बाद ये ट्रेस करके देखना कि मैडम जो आपको इसको म्यूट करना है. ओके, सो आई एम जस्ट वांटेड टू टेल यू वन थिंग कि आज का जो लेक्चर है वो होने के बाद आप लोग प्लीज ट्राई करके देखिए कि जो भी सिस्टम में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, जो भी कम्युनिकेशन आपके और मेरे बीच में हो रहा है, उसके आप ब्लॉक्स बना सकते हो क्या. व्हाट इज द ट्रांसमीटर एक्चुअली, हाउ आई एम व्हाट ट्रांसड्यूसर आई एम यूजिंग. ओके, this is a very good example for you. And if you will be able to draw that block diagram ki in which network we are talking, we are making the communication, you will be very much familiar with what is a communication network, because this is not a simple network. मैं एक ऐप के थ्रू आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ, so there is one software also involved, there are some transducer also involved, there is some transmitter also, there is a channel also, and at your end you are having a receiving circuit, a demodulating circuit, and then a display transducer. आपकी जो screen है, that is nothing but a display device, or it is a output device for any communication network. Is it okay? So what we will do, today is we are going to see one presentation, okay, in which you are having some animations over there. हम लोग जो भी बातें करें, whatever we are talking in terms of communication, like I have said you that today I am going to teach you about modulation and demodulation. So in the last lecture only I have given an introduction of what is a modulation and demodulation. Likewise, कि एक simple सा example we have taken in the last class, that if I am saying something and it is to be reached up to you people. So what I will do, if the network is not there, आपका जो इंटरनेट कनेक्शन है, आपके जो सॉफ्टवेयर्स है, उन सब चीज़ों को मिला के ये कम्युनिकेशन पॉसिबल हुआ है in between you and me. So there are so many things involved between us when I'm talking to you and you are listening to me. Okay, and in that communication the very important thing is nothing but modulation and demodulation. Okay, so what is modulation? If we'll talk of modulation, it is nothing but mixing of two signals. Whatever I am saying, if I wanted to transmit to a particular distance, up to a distant place, so what I am going to do is I am going to mix my signal with a very high frequency carrier signal. As you all know, high frequency carrier signals, they are able to travel in the air and it will reach to a particular transmitting antenna, and then it will be received at that receiver antenna and it will be decoded. जैसे मुझे कुछ मैसेज आपको भिजवाना है, एक जनरल सा सिंपल सा कम्युनिकेशन नेटवर्क सेट करना है, सिर्फ मेरी आवाज आपको सुननी है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, लाइक वी डू इन द एफएम signals, when you catch or when you listen to FM, there the audio was recorded, whatever they wanted to transmit they are recording that audio. So सबसे पहले क्या है, there is one input device, a person who is saying something is nothing but a input device. He is saying something and that data is nothing but a audio signal. Okay, so it is a analog signal. First of all, एनालॉग सिग्नल वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिग्नल. हमको उसमें उसको एक इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल में कन्वर्ट करना ही पड़ेगा, बिकॉज विद द ऑडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी वी कैन नॉट प्ले विद द सिग्नल. ओके, then we are converting from audio signal, from the audio data, convert it back to an electrical signal. So who is going to do this? This is done by an input transducer, nothing but your electrical mic. So it will convert your audio signal into an electrical one, and then that signal, that data, it is to be given to the transmitter device. Which is the transmitting device? अब आपका transmitter will be designed according to your input signal. Okay, if you are using the audio only, it will be your audio modulation. So your data, audio signal in the electrical form, it is mixed with high frequency signal, that is the modulation process, and then this data, a very high frequency data, it will be transmitted through the transmitting antenna. Okay, this is called as modulation, and just the opposite of modulation is done at the receiving end. कुछ चीजें जो आपने मिक्स की थी, जो आपका इनपुट डेटा है, जो आपने हायर फ्रीक्वेंसी सिग्नल कैरियर के साथ मिक्स किया था, उसको एक्सट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. So this is done by the demodulation technique or the demodulating circuits, and at the receiver end. Okay, so that is called as demodulation. Carrier और इनपुट फ्रीक्वेंसीज को सेपरेट करने का काम डीमोड्यूलेशन कहलाता है. ओके, सो दिस इज डन बाय द रिसीविंग डिवाइस, and then your audio has to be played, so it can be played through any output device. जहाँ पे आपने एक स्पीकर भी लगा दिया तो वो आवाज आपको वैसे के वैसे सुनाई देगी. ठीक है, अब इस बीच में क्या होता है, हमने कल ही देखा था कि दोनों के बीच में देयर इज वन चैनल, दैट इज नथिंग बट एयर. एंड नाउ इफ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अदर, you also get tired. So the signal is traveling, signal is also traveling from one place to other, so it is also be joined with some noise. There will be some noise accommodated with your channel. So at the receiving end you have to take the filter circuits also. After receiving the signal from your receiving antenna, first we will filter the signal, then we will demodulate. Okay, so this is the whole communication system or whole communication network. ये हमने कल ही देखा था, इसका पूरा एक क्लास हमने कल के डिस्कशन में ओवर किया है. So today we are discussing about what is modulation and demodulation. If you are you able to hear the presentation voice? जो आपको प्रेजेंटेशन दिख रहा है उसका अपना एक आवाज है. आर यू एबल टू लिसन इट?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just try to listen what he is saying. I have already told you what is this. Okay, this system I have already told you. Just go through it, that what the person is saying. So this is what, this is nothing but a general transmission system or communication system. In this he has shown that there is one source of information, there is transmitter, receiver and the recipient, and in between the transmitter and receiver there is a communication channel. Okay, so this slide is okay. We'll go to the next one. Okay, so what you have seen in the last slide, वो जो आपने देखा, that was nothing but a antenna, transmitting antenna था वो, जहाँ पे आपको modulation हो के जो सिग्नल है वो एंटेना से ट्रांसमिट कैसे हो रहा है वो दिखाया था. That it have shown. Okay, and that signal has to be transmitted in air. जो आपका high frequency carrier है, it is able to travel in air. Okay, so in this slide what you can see here, this is a very important slide. Students, please go through it. This is showing you radio broadcasting, modulation and demodulation. यहाँ देखो, first one is microphone. This is your electrical signal. दिस इज योर मॉड्यूलेटर. मॉड्यूलेटर को बहुत अच्छे से देखो. हियर इट इज जॉइंड विथ अ ऑसिलेटर. ओके, ऑसिलेटर इज जनरेटिंग. ऑसिलेटर्स आपने आपके लास्ट ईयर में डिजाइनिंग भी की है. कुछ फेज शिफ्ट ऑसिलेटर बनाए थे, वेन ब्रिज ऑसिलेटर बनाए थे. ठीक है, दे वर हैविंग सम रेंजेस ऑल्सो. उसका कुछ रेंज भी आपको पता है कि आप वो क्या रेंज के लिए डिजाइन कर सकते हो. सो हियर ऑसिलेटर इज यूज्ड for generating a very high frequency carrier wave. Now that carrier wave has to be mixed with your electrical input signal and that is done by the modulator. Modulator क्या काम कर रहा है? वो सिर्फ दो सिग्नल्स को मिक्स करने का काम कर रहा है. कौन से दो सिग्नल्स? एक हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी कैरियर वेव और एक आपका जो इनपुट सिग्नल है, जैसे जो आपका वॉइस है, माइक्रोफोन के थ्रू आपने वॉइस इनपुट किया. इट इज बीइंग मिक्स्ड विद high frequency carrier wave which is generated by an oscillator circuit. ठीक है, मॉड्यूलेटर भी क्या है? मॉड्यूलेटर इज नथिंग बट अ सर्किट ओनली. उसका भी डिजाइनिंग हम देखेंगे. ऑसिलेटर्स आल्सो वी विल सी कि किस टाइप के ऑसिलेटर्स आपको मॉड्यूलेशन डीमॉड्यूलेशन के ड्यूरेशन में आप यूज करते हो. कौन से टाइप के ऑसिलेटर्स होते हैं. ठीक है, तो मॉड्यूलेटर समझ में आया सभी को? इट इज नथिंग बट मिक्सिंग ऑफ टू different signals. One is the carrier frequency and the other one is your input signal. Okay, now this modulated signal, as you can see here, you can have a modulated signal. देखो इसमें carrier भी है और आपका input signal भी है. अब input signal is what? What is the input signal? Input signal is nothing but a sine wave. Okay, so what is the sine wave? As you all know, कि when I am saying something, I am talking to you, so my voice is the sound signal. It is having nothing but a peaks. वो आपका जो साइन वेव है, जो भी हमारे बोलने की फ्रीक्वेंसी है, जो हमारा एम्पलीट्यूड है, उस पर डिपेंड करेगा. सो योर साइन वेव इज हैविंग अ पर्टिकुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड अ पर्टिकुलर एम्पलीट्यूड विथ अ कांस्टेंट फेज. ठीक है, तो ये तीन चीजें आपको ध्यान में रखनी है कि इन एनी सिग्नल, इन एनी साइन वेव, you are having three things together. One is very important, the amplitude. The second one is the frequency and the third one is the phase. जो आपका डेटा रहेगा वो ये तीन कंपोनेंट्स में information carry करेगा. Okay, if the amplitude is varying, it is carrying one type of data. If the frequency is varying, it is carrying the another type of data, and if the phase is varying, it is carrying the other type, third type of the data. Okay, so your modulator is there. Modulated signal को देखो. What is being done here? This is the carrier wave. अब carrier wave में आपको ये दिख रहा है कि it is a very high frequency signal. Okay, and its amplitude is varying according to the input signal when you are doing modulation. This is nothing but the amplitude modulation. Okay, क्योंकि हम जब भी कुछ चीजें बोलते हैं, जब आप बोल रहे हो, आपके जो वर्डिंग्स है, आप क्या बोल रहे हो, उसके अकॉर्डिंग योर वॉइस amplitude is being varied. So we have to carry that data to a particular distant place. Okay, so we are mixing it with the carrier frequency, so the frequency remains same but the amplitude is varying. So this message, this modulated signal is having two things. आपका जो इनपुट सिग्नल है वो भी है उसमें और कैरियर भी है. ठीक है, कैरियर हमारे सिर्फ इतना ही काम का है कि वो हमारे जो इनपुट सिग्नल है उसको एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस तक कैरी करे. ओके, अब हमने मॉड्यूलेशन कर दिया. नाउ द मॉड्यूलेटेड सिग्नल हैज टू बी एम्पलीफाइड. Now what is amplifier? You all know what is the amplifier. यहाँ आपको एक audio amplifier use करना पड़ेगा. Okay, but these amplifiers when you use in communication system, these are very high frequency amplifiers. Okay, Why we use these high frequency amplifiers? Because our modulated data, we have to transmit it through a transmitting antenna. So it has to be very much amplified first. ये आपका एंटेना दिख रहा है, यहाँ से आपका एम्पलीफाइड ऑडियो सिग्नल जो है, जो मॉड्यूलेटेड था, वो ट्रांसमिट हो पाएगा इन द एयर. ओके, तो अब देख लेते हैं ये क्या कह रहे हैं इसके बारे में. Are you able to listen, students? Are you able to listen the slide volume?
नो मैम.
वॉल्यूम नहीं आ रहा है? मेरा आवाज आ रहा है
नहीं.
आपको? मेरा
नहीं.
आवाज आ
हाँ
रहा है?
आपका.
अच्छा,
हाँ.
जो आपको प्रेजेंटेशन दिख रहा है ना, एनिमेशन, उसके साथ भी कुछ आवाज है. देखो अभी आ रहा है क्या? टाइप्स ऑफ मॉड्यूलेशन बता रहा है वो.
नो मैम.
आवाज बंद हो गया अभी, तो मुझे भी नहीं आ रहा है. हाँ? Okay, I will just pausing it because मैं pause कर रही हूँ. आपका जो बैक स्लाइड शो चल रहा था उसको हम लोग पॉज कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमारे जूम मीटिंग का टाइम ओवर हो रहा है. So we will be having a class at 1:50. So we will continue with this. Is it okay, students? I'm ending the class. Please be there at
Yes, ma'am.
1:50. We are having another class, and for the same, I'm giving. I'm only taking your class for this communication paper. Okay, so please be there. You have sent it some messages also. Please hold it. I'm just looking at your messages. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, so we'll meet at 1:50. I'm ending the class.